Hey guys, in this video I will show you how I fixed a Rune64.dll error in GTA 5 Enhanced Edition. It's quite easy and straightforward, so let me show how. What you need to do here is to go to Windows Security, then press on Virus and Threat Protection, then here press on Protection History, and then here under the Protection History should be a DLL file with its path to your game folder. So what you need to do here, basically you just need to click on Actions in the lower right, and then choose Restore. After you hit Restore, maybe restart your computer and then run the game, because simply Windows Defender Firewall is recognizing Rune64.dll as a Trojan horse virus. It's not a virus, it's a mistake, so you just need to restore that. I'm sad that I cannot show you the restore button because I just fixed that and there is no error for me, but nevertheless you should find it here and it should work flawlessly, right? So yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.